Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to send your Amazon FBA products back to you. Alright, so you might want to send your products back to yourself from the Amazon FBA warehouses for a couple of different reasons. It might be that it's been sitting there for a long time, you made a mistake on a listing and you need it to send back to you, or it might be on Amazon's end, they no longer want to sell that item and they said that you have to either destroy it or send it back to yourself. There's many different reasons why. So in my case right now, I'm actually going to be sending the products back to myself because there's some items that have been up there for a while and it's just sitting there, it hasn't sold, so I want to send it back to myself and I'm actually going to list them on Craigslist or on eBay. So I'm here in the dashboard right now and you want to head over to Inventory, Manage Inventory, and then here you're going to have a list of all of your products. So I'm now going to find the products that I want to send back to myself. Alright, so I found one right here. It's a old Hello Kitty toy. It's been up here for a very long time and I want to send it back to myself. So what you want to do when you're at the product, head over to the very right with the up and down arrows because there's actually two buttons. There's the edit and then this up and down thing. Click on that and then click Create Removal Order. That is what you are going to be doing. So now there's a couple of different things. You can either choose to ship to address, which means shipping it to yourself, and it's only going to ship within Canada. So this is for Amazon FBA Canada. If you were doing Amazon FBA in the United States, they would only ship it to a US address. So this is Amazon FBA Canada, so it's only going to ship to a Canadian address. Or you can dispose of the item. Now, I'll tell you, they don't actually destroy and dispose the item. They actually resell it back to other companies and other businesses. I actually saw in a Walmart some Amazon FBA products, and how I know it's an Amazon FBA product is because when I was looking for the barcode, there was the Amazon sticker labels, and those sticker labels are specific to Amazon, so that's how I know that Amazon doesn't really dispose of their products when they say they are. They just like resell it to other people. So now I want to put in my name and address. Alright, so I've got my address all filled out here, and as you can see, Canada is like locked in there. You can't change the country. Then you head over to the bottom right, and I've only got one fulfillable quantity available, so I'm gonna just put one, and then I'm gonna click continue. So this is just like an overview here. It's going to ship it to my address. It's going to be standard shipping, and the fees that I'm going to be charged, it's really cheap. The other time I did this, I got 3 products that were about this size. They were HDMI cables in a package like this big. I got 3 of them. I created a removal order because they weren't selling, and it charged me like $1 something for it to get shipped to my house. So it's very cheap. I'm pretty sure this is going to be less than $1. So once you've looked over everything, everything is good, I'm going to click place order. And then there you go, success, your order was successfully placed. So it says here at the bottom, you will be charged the per unit pick and pack fee shown on the rate card. But actually right now they are currently waiving fees for removals. So that's actually cool for me right now. Now this isn't always going to be the case, but at this current moment they are waiving the fees, the wait fees. And it says here removals can take 10 to 14 business days. Now it depends on the time of year that you're doing this, but it's kind of like pre-summer right now. It's just June and I did this like a week ago, and they were actually pretty fast with it. So that is it. That is how you create a removal order to send your products back to yourself from the Amazon FBA warehouses in Canada. So this might be a good solution for you if the product hasn't sold in a while, and or you can sell it on Craigslist or on eBay. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.